Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I very much welcome. Please kindly subscribe, like the video, share the video as well as watching those as if they pop up, because let us talk about Ubaba Musamsele, who is we know he's a polygamist with 5 wives, and he also presents Umnagwetu, which is a polygamist like show, you know what I mean. So we talk, he have said something here about taking a second wife or taking more than one wife, right? Kutomo Samsedekwi was talking about polygamy and the truth about the polygamy, you guys. So I'm not going to host Ubaba Musamseleku says the hit reality show is not only about one men wanting to marry a second wife. No, it is deeper than that. That's what he explains there, you guys. That is Baba Musamseleku Utiena. The show continues to spark important conversations about trust, honesty, and the communication as families navigate life changing decisions, you guys. And now in its 5th season, Umnagwetu follows a married men as they ask their wives for permission to to take another wife with Musa. This is not an easy thing. I've watched Umnagwetu, you guys. I've seen people cry. This is not an easy thing. I've watched this show, and let me tell you something. I ngeke bafowethu, especially the recent one that I watched when it was the sister, the man coming to introduce his sister to the no. The TV personality said the show continues to spark important conversations. It is on its 5th season. I'm sorry if I'm repeating myself. Utake Mnakwete follows married men as they ask their wives for permission to take a additional wife, you guys. So with Musa guiding families through the emotional journey. So speaking about viewers' reactions so far, yeah, so far Musamsele said he was encouraged by the conversations that the show continues to spark, you guys, which is the show Umnagwetu. Not Uthadona's Temple, remember, we're talking about Umnagwetu. Musamsele said it is important for the show to feature families from different backgrounds. So polygamy exists across different cultures and communities, and rich family approaches each family, they approach it differently. It was important for viewers to see that there is no single way of living its lifestyle. Every family experience is unique, and that is reflected throughout the season. That is Baba Musa Mseleku, having lived in a polygamous marriage himself. Umusa said he understands the emotions that both husbands and wives go through. That's not an easy thing, like I said. Absolutely, as someone living in a polygamous marriage, I understand many of the challenges both the men and the wife experience. At the same time, I remind myself that every family is different, so I never assume the journey will be the same as mine. So Umusa also gave men an advice before they can tell their wives who they want to marry again. I always encourage them to be honest. Difficult conversations should never be rushed upon or approached with fear. If you are serious about your decision, you must also be prepared to listen and accept your wife's feelings and concerns. That is the advice from the polygamist himself. The viewers often misunderstand families who take part in the show. People sometimes forget that these are real families making real decisions. It is easy to judge them from the outside, but every person comes into the process with their own reasons, experiences, and the hopes for the future. So no hopes viewers take he hopes viewers takes one important lesson from the latest season of Umnagwetu. I hope the viewers remember that every relationship requires commitment, honesty, and respect. Those values matter regardless of whether a marriage is monogamous or polygamous. That was Baba Musa Mseleku himself. Umnagwetu is remember on Mzansi Magic every Tuesday at 8 p.m. Fans can also look forward to the return of Ingane Zesithembu as well, which is one of Baba Musa Mseleku's shows, which the show of Abantwana Bakhe Ingane Zesithembu, that is his children, you guys. It is coming back, the show, as we heard. Ingane Zesithembu is, I think, yeah, in this August, you guys. We will be watching Izingane Zesithembu, which premieres its 4th season on the 20th of August at 8 p.m. on Mzansi Magic, with new episodes every Wednesdays and Thursdays. Okay, Izingane Zesithembu is coming, you guys. Izingane Zesithembu. This was Baba Musamsele talking about Umnakwethu, and yeah, man, it's not easy when it comes to that particular show when a man introduces another a woman to his wife, you guys, to his wife, and then he goes to speak to the wife about the decision he's taking to introduce another, or asking the wife actually to take another wife. It's not easy, man. I've seen different reactions, different emotions. That's not a nice thing, but anyways, abantu bayamkela ngendlela different, but I've seen the horrible ones. I ngeke bafowethu noma sekuthiwa family tough decisions and all that. Sometimes no, man. But anyways, what can we do? Amadoda kuthiwa ayathatha ke isithembu bafowethu. But the one that I was talking about, where the sister, the younger sister, now is the one introduced to her sister, the real sister, to be the second. Like I was like, no, man, there's just a whole lot they come now with. But anyways, the host of the show is Baba Musamsele, as we know him when it comes to Thando Nesithembu, and also isho yabantwana bakhe Izingane Zesithembu. So he also hosts Umnakwethu. So he's the one to go with the man pal to the wife to say, listen, can we bring? It's like they go there, or already they are ready with the lady, and then they're gonna ask the wife if they can bring the lady in, and I think it's just a whole lot. So thank you so much for watching this particular video. Okay, that they were talking to Baba Musamsele about the show Umnakwethu. Okay, him giving advice to men to prepare themselves, talking about taking tough decisions. Mangabuzo Tata is tembo. We know Uguti, he is a man with 5 wives. Okay, it's not easy, but let them take his advice. Lababa from Tati's temple. So it is what it is. Thank you so much for watching this particular one. Like, subscribe, share. Let's meet again in my next one. Bye.